Hello everybody and welcome to another VATSIM video. Today I'm going to be participating in the Honk 5 VATSIM event. We have like 5 centers online. We have like 27 airports fully staffed. Let me just look at this.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Look at this. This is crazy. We have Newark, LaGuardia, JFK, Bradley, Boston, Portland, Syracuse, Toronto, Cleveland, Atlanta. All these airports are like pretty much fully staffed.
It's beautiful!
And I cannot choose which ones I'm gonna fly to today, so we're gonna go ahead and spin a wheel. Alright, so I've made myself a list here of 11 airports, and we're gonna spin the wheel here and see what our departure airport's gonna be for today. We'll spin it again and see what our arrival is. So here we go. Wheel spin number 1. Leaving from Boston. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that now from the poll. Spin it one more time. Where are we gonna be landing at? Toronto. Okay. We're gonna go over here to SimBrief. We'll get our flight plan made. Alright, here we go. KBOS to CYYZ. Air Canada, let's do 634. That works. And then A20 Neo. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, connect to VATSIM as Air Canada 634 A20 Neo. Alright, and go ahead and begin boarding. Wait. I don't know why we have 0 passengers in this flight. I guess it is what it is. That's very weird. It says we have 0 passengers. I mean, like, who would want to go to Canada?
How does anyone find that funny? I mean, seriously, how does anyone find that funny? If you laughed at it, there's something seriously wrong with you.
Everything's looking good. Parking brake is set, so we go ahead. Batteries, external power.
Hey! Come on, man! That's too easy!
And is boarding started? Oh yeah, I forgot we don't have any passengers. I guess before we get like all of the stuff set up in the FMC, we can go ahead and get our IFR clearance from Boston delivery 121.65. So I'll go ahead and tune that frequency. We'll get our IFR clearance now over to Toronto Pearson International Airport. If I can find my pencil. Pencil. I'm getting angry. Where's my pencil? This is not good. I would prefer a pencil. Pencil. It's not in the drawer. It's not underneath any of my checklists. Is this marker dry or no? Okay, I found a marker that will work. Boston delivery Air Canada 634 requesting IFR clearance to Toronto Pearson. I guess I can just say Toronto.
Air Canada 634 Boston clearance. I don't have a flight plan for you. Can you try refiling, please?
Sorry about that. We'll file Canada 634. I forgot to file it. That's my fault. There we go. Alright, we got to file there, Canada 634.
Alright, Roger, expect PDC.
Are you serious right now, bro? Like, are you serious right now?
Oh, I went through all that to get a PDC. I went, like, running around my room looking for
Pencils to crayons to freaking markers. Finally find one and then I get a PDC.
13-6.
And we have to, and it, our PDC says to contact 121.65 to push. Advise ATIS and location. Alright. Delivery Air Canada 634 with X-ray, Charlie 33, requesting push and start.
Canada 634 Boston clearance. And monitor ground 120.9 or no need to call.
You sure about that?
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Modern ground 121.9 Air Canada 634. PDC's a liar. Come on. It literally says contact 121.65 for push, but apparently I don't need to call. Stupid. Anyway. Request pushback.
Air Canada 634 Boston ground, push into the ramp at your discretion, advise ready to taxi.
Push into the ramp, bar discretion, call for taxi, Canada 634. Why? Okay, now, okay, we should hopefully start moving soon, right? Hello? Pushback tug. Move. Hello? 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 Pushback tug.
4 left.
Move! Oh.
What the hell?
We're gonna ignore that and just start engine number 2.
Temple 1451 Boston ground to state gate number.
Engine number 1. Start, I guess.
Niner heavy, you can hold. Over to Tower 48, thanks, good night, Delta 8312.
Alright. Greater Canada 634, ready for taxi.
Air Canada 634, Boston ground runway 9 taxi via Alpha Kilo Mike, cross runway 4 left.
Taxi runway 9 via Alpha Kilo Mike and cross 4 left, Air Canada 634. It's taxi time! Woo!
Air Canada 634, give way right to left Delta, Boeing on Kilo, you can follow them.
Give right to the Delta on Kilo, follow them, Canada 634.
Air Canada 634, monitor tower 128.8.
Monitor tower 128.8, Air Canada 634.
Air Canada 634, boss tower, good evening, runway 9, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 9, Air Canada 634. Woo! Oh, the winds are gonna be pretty bad then if he's that misaligned with the runway right after departure. That doesn't look good.
Air Canada 634, wind 010 at 13, runway 9, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 9, Air Canada 634. Alright, here we go.
Wait.
Runway 9, straight JetBlue 1567.
JetBlue 24, contact with Boston ground 121.9er.
0.9 off of JetBlue.
Ah! Holy crap! Holy crap! Positive rate, gear up, I guess. Autopilot, save me, pretty please. I'm a little bit scared for my life. Flaps up. What? 5,000 feet per minute? 6,000 feet per minute? 6,000!
We are go for it. Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Atlantis on a mission to study planet Earth.
Okay, autopilot, chill. Okay, after takeoff check.
634, contact Boston departure, have a great one.
Over to departure, U2, Air Canada 634. Ah! Auto throttle!
JetBlue 1367.
Stop trying to get me in trouble with the FAA.
1567.
Boston departure, Air Canada 634, 5,000, the Highland 7 departure.
Canada 634 Boston's departure hello, climb maintain 14,000, departure 118.25 feet.
Maintain 14,000 and departure 118.25 Air Canada 634. Boston departure Air Canada 634 5,000 climbing 14,000 Highland 7 departure.
Air Canada 634 Boston departure hello, contact Boston Center now 123.75, good night.
123.75 for Canada 634, see it. Boston Center, Canada 634, 10,000 climbing 14,000, Highland 7 departure.
Air
Landing
Canada
lights off.
634 Boston Center, climb maintain level 230.
Climb maintain level 230, Canada 634. Look at these clouds. Rainbow! Rainbow! Woo! Look at that. That's beautiful.
Treat me like CYYZ. Don't get me dirty. Love on me.
Oh, we're gonna be flying straight into that. That's not fun.
Spark 3182 Boston Center.
The weather's not that good here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the seatbelt signs now, so passengers can walk about the cabin. 4,000 feet per minute. This is crazy. Oh yeah, it's because we have no passengers. Wait, then why did I turn off the seatbelt sign?
Air Canada 634, contact Boston Center 126.22. Good night.
126.22 for Canada 634. That was the loudest SIA I've ever seen.
Maintain 8,000 B.
Boston Center, Air Canada 634, flight level 230.
Air Canada 634, Boston Center, climb and maintain flight level 340.
Climb and maintain flight level 340, Air Canada 634. Ooh. 34,000 feet. This looks like lint. This looks like the stuff that you have to like wipe off of like the little dryer filter before you put before you start a new like a new load of laundry. Ugh. Uh-oh. How? How? How are they finding me? I'm being stalked. This is seriously creepy. How did you find me? JetBlue 1367. How? I mean, thank you. You like my videos, but how? This is stalker behavior, but alright. Aircraft decided to go Max Verstappen mode. Managed was too fast. That controller thought I was using extended sim rate. Well, there's only like one response that my stupid 5 IQ brain can think of for this. And it's yeah. How about we go into Max Verstappen mode ourselves and go ahead and bump up our speed?
Hey, Boston Center, JetBlue.
Let's go Mach 81.
With you about 30 north.
Air Canada 634, contact Cleveland Center 128.02.
Cleveland Center 120.02, Air Canada 634. Oh my gosh. Look at the amount of controllers. And those are just controllers that I'm in range with. That's not even like the entirety of controllers that are on the line right now. This is insane. Alright, 120.02. Cleveland Center, Canada 634, flight level 340.
Air Canada 634, Cleveland Center, roger. Air Canada 634, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 280.
Descend at pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 280, was it 240 or 280 for Air Canada 634?
280.
Alright, 280 for Air Canada 634.
Air Canada 634, descend now for traffic, maintain flight level 240.
Descend, maintain 240, Air Canada 634. Check speed mode. What does that mean?
Air Canada 634, cross Easton at and maintain 17,000. Buffalo area altimeter 3005.
Cross Easton. We need the altitude again. Altimeter 29 or something.
We almost got that. Air Canada 634, cross Easton at and maintain 17,000 at Easton. Buffalo area altimeter 3005.
Altimeter 3005 and cross Easton at 17,000. Air Canada 634.
Air Canada
333.
634, contact Toronto Center 133.3.
133.3 for Air Canada 634.
Just to verify, frequency 133.3.
133.3 for Air Canada 634. 133.3 Air Canada 634.
Huh?
Toronto Center, Air Canada 634, descending 17,000.
Air Canada 634, Toronto Center, good evening. Plan runway 06 left, information Foxtrot.
Plan 06 left will pick up information Foxtrot, Air Canada 634. So we'll actually be flying, like, not far away from Niagara Falls, so we should see it off to our right side, I guess. Somewhere. So we're turning towards it now. It's over here somewhere. I think that's it? I don't know.
Southwest 122, Toronto Center, good evening.
It's not as impressive as I thought it would be.
Runway 05. Air Canada 634, descend 11,000, cross the ling at 11,000.
Descend 11,000, cross the ling at 11,000, Air Canada 634.
Air Canada 634, descend 8,000.
Send 8,000, Air Canada 634. 8,000. I'm gonna do my best to make this the smoothest, butteriest, most amazingest landing ever. I'm talking so smooth, the runway doesn't even know that it's been landed on. The passengers still think we're in the air.
Air Canada 634, descend 4,000.
Send 4,000, Air Canada 634. This scenery is horrendous. Holy crap. What is it in my graphics settings that make things look like this?
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
What is that highway?
Toronto Center, Air Canada.
Take a look at that.
638 heavy, 160 for 23.
Random mountains just in the middle of nowhere. Like, what is this? Look at the road! This is supposed to be a river. You can see the water there. What is this?
Disgusting!
Air Canada 634, turn right heading 1, correction, turn right heading 330, descend 3,000.
Right heading 330, descend 3,000, Air Canada 634.
Air Canada 634, turn right heading 030, intercept cleared ILS 06 left approach.
030, intercept cleared ILS 06 left approach, Air Canada 634. Alright, there we go. So 030, and we'll select the localizer mode. There's 6 left, I think, in the distance, kind of. It's a little bit hard to make out, but I do see it, I think. So
Air Canada 634, contact tower 118.7, connect.
118.7 for Air Canada 634. Honk.
Honk.
I don't know why I did that, I just felt like it. Toronto Tower, Air Canada 634, ILS 6 left.
Canada 634, Toronto Tower, good evening. The winds are 320 to 11 knots, runway 6 left, continue now.
6 left to continue, Air Canada 634. I couldn't tell if he said clear. He's really quiet for me. I couldn't tell if he said clear to land or just continue. Just to confirm, was it clear to land or just continue for Air Canada 634?
Continue, 6 left.
Alright, continue Air Canada 634.
WestJet 112 without delay, the wind's through 3010 knots, clear to takeoff.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Oh crap, we have somebody
We're
taking.
need a moment, so we'll just hold short.
Okay, WestJet 112, hold short 6 left. Air
1,000.
Canada 634, the wind 340 at 10, clear land 6 left.
Clear to land 6 left, Air Canada 634. Alright. How am I high? I am not high on the approach.
$150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Ah! Ah! Okay. We're fine. We're fine. I did not almost go off of the runway. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine.
Canada 643, take the high speed, Charlie 3, left turn Charlie, ground 12165.
He didn't say, he said United.
Air Canada 634, left turn on Charlie, call ground 12165.
Left turn on Charlie, ground 120.65, again 634. Left on Char. Is this Charlie? No, it says Charlie's this way. Ground, Air Canada 634, ready, looking for taxi to parking.
Okay, 634, Toronto, hello, taxi Delta, Alpha. I'll have more for you shortly.
Alright, Delta Alpha, Air Canada 634. Okay, taxi.
Air Canada 634, you can taxi Delta, Delta Romeo. Holding short of Delta Romeo, contact ramp 122.27.
Delta Romeo, and hold a short runway, contact ramp 122.27, Air Canada 634. Ramp Air Canada 634, short Delta Romeo, looking for gate 252.
Air Canada 634, lane 10, gate 252.
Right. Lane 10, gate 252, Air Canada 634. We'll just park here. Destroy our brakes very quick. Ooh.
Lane 11 Echo, hold short Delta Tango, contact ground 121.65, hold short.
We can go ahead and disconnect from VATSIM. We'll very quickly just start deboarding our passengers over here in the payload screen. Oh yeah, I don't have passengers. I forgot about that part. Alright. We are officially parked and shut off in Toronto. Man, that jetway is not really connected. Anyway, we are officially parked and shut down here in Toronto Pearson International Airport. We flew all the way over here from Boston. So total flight time was 1 hour and 33 minutes, and our landing rate was 85 feet per minute! But, yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. I'm gonna put a replay there of my extremely smooth and butter landing now for the outro. See ya!
20, 10, 10, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 10, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10.